Actually, I'm a living testimony na nawala talaga yung melasma ko all over my face after availing the Pico Laser. I'm Ronald Baladad and I'm from Binyan, Laguna. Part of my job is I interact with other people. Nahihiya ako humarap because of yung mga dark spot ako sa face. Then yung nagpa-treat ako ng Pico Laser. Nakita ko yung effect niya. Mga 2 to 3 sessions, nag-light na yung face. I started dun December 2024. Then nakita ko yung mga improvement ng mga first quarter ng 2025. Yung equipment nila, yung machine, parang advanced technology yung parang ginagamit nila habang ginagawa yung session. At Iska, my wife, sabi niya, parang may nabago sa'yo ah. Even sa office, you look good. You look presentable. I can say that you value for money. Kasi may kita mo kagad yung result. May nagsabi sa akin na, hey sir, you look good. And I'm proud to say na alagang Gemma Aesthetics ako.